For 250 years, America's story has been written by men and women chasing opportunity, willing to go the extra mile and strive for something better. The U.S. has always been a melting pot of immigrants from many countries and cultures, chasing their personal vision of the American dream. Sicilian-Italian immigrant and pastry chef Carlo Guastafaro did just that, opening Carlo's Bakery in 1910 in Hoboken, New Jersey. In 1964, Carlo's Bakery was sold to Bartolo Valastro Sr., who furthered the dream of building a successful, family-run business.
I grew up idolizing my father, and he taught me that the key to success is hard work, never giving up.
Today, that same spirit lives on in every employee at Carlo's Bakery. Different backgrounds, different stories, all with a shared company culture committed to excellence and focused on family. And just like America itself, the company had to evolve and adapt to the changing times.
We've built a long tradition on not cutting corners, about making real product made from scratch with authenticity. It's my family heritage.
America's small businesses also face big pressures with labor, efficiency, and consistency. That's where partners like Combi come in, helping Carlo's Bakery reduce downtime, cut waste, improve pack quality, and free up employees to focus on more value-added tasks.
Sometimes you have to open 20 cases a minute. You need 2 or 3 people, and 2 or 3 fast people. It becomes a repetitive job that people just don't want to do anymore.
So we have a lot of people making boxes. We're crazy. We need boxes. We need boxes.
If we speed up the line, we need the box to be made just as quickly, for the packaging to be done correctly and it be palletized.
They love it. A lot less movement for them. It's a lot less strain on their backs.
That's pretty cool that they all want that position.
The other part of working with Combi was just the whole team and going through the process, like trying to understand, all right, you make 5 inches, 7 inches, cups, this, that, like how is it all gonna work together with the machine? It's been a great partnership because a lot of people just want to sell you equipment and they run.
Yeah, the most important thing for us is how long until we have our investment returned on the product or the equipment that we're purchasing. So you can look at a lot of different equipment out there and you're talking sometimes years before you get a return on investment.
This machine should pay itself back in 4 to 8 months. It's insane.
This isn't just about putting cakes in cases. It's about continuing something that started more than 100 years ago and being ready for the next 100. Building a dynamic business to sustain for generations to come. As America celebrates 250 years, it's businesses like Carlo's Bakery, built by immigrants, sustained by hard work, and automated by Combi, that help keep the American dream alive. And that's just the icing on the cake.
I love it.